Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to talk about a very simple plugin called Composite Blur. What it does is just adds a blur filter in your OBS studio. So here's the plugin Composite Blur. It's just a blur like this. You add it to your image and it has multiple effects, and let's see how to add it. So open our OBS studio. We have this image, for example, here. Let's add filter. Let's take this to the side. We can hide it. Actually, you can hide it and it's still working here. So let's work with this. After you install the plugin, you will find this filter Composite Blur. Okay. As you can see, just by adding it, it adds a blur to this image. As you can see right now, it adds a blur like this. And you can increase its intensity. Blur radius, you can increase it like this. You can change it from box to box blur, dual Kawasaki. You can change it from Gaussian blur to box. It gives you some different effects to the blur, not just one simple blur. You can just add any blur you want from here, and each one has its own settings. Change the blur type, directional, motion, multiple stuff that you can use. You can change the angle like this. So it's a very simple plugin, very straightforward. You can add it to your background, you can add it to text, you can add to, for example, if you have a green screen, you want to add a background and make it a little bit blurry so you are separated from the background, you can just add this filter, Composite Blur. So it's a very simple plugin, nothing more to talk about it. So see you in the next one.